Okay, really quickly, this is our boudoir where Tassle is hanging until he's cut loose for a really small laugh. We have another side of the set is finished for the Addams house, and we have a boudoir curtain in here that you would see from this side. So we made this a quick attach sort of a thing with some gaff taped rare earth magnets and some magnets stuck up there, so he just sticks in place. And there's a curtain tie back steel hook in here mounted to the set, covered with rope to disguise it in a loose end. So then crew just carefully kind of tucks the curtain behind that. And this is all while the lights are down, and tucks the rope just around like that. Gives it a bit of a zhuzh. Our puppeteer for Tassle is here with Tassle on a steel rod, and he has a little magnet on his head, and there's magnets. Originally I thought it'd be enough to stick him to the steel hook, but I actually added magnets to the steel hook also, so when he comes over here and crew finds the magnet. That is so that it hangs still and doesn't draw anybody's attention for almost the whole scene, and our puppeteer hides back there, all in black. And then Gomez, I think he ends the scene swinging his foil, his fencing foil, and he cuts Tassle, who hops down. And then if you do a little left-right over here, yeah, do a little pretend so he can try and decide how to run away, and then he takes off and heads around behind the set. And this is all sort of black, and it frames him really nicely and makes the illusion pretty cool, I think. And that was how we did that.